On to continuing coverage, another round of strikes is coming to Providence in 2025. 5,000 healthcare workers will once again be hitting the picket lines across Oregon. Providence Medford and O&A have been bargaining for a year in January. The session just a week ago left no end in sight to agreements on either side's terms. O&A says this is the largest healthcare strike and first strike for physicians in state history. This strike, which includes 11 Providence bargaining units from 8 hospitals and 6 clinics, physicians will not strike in Medford. Nursing contacts ended 8 months ago in March. I spoke to O&A right after their strike announcement. Whitney Evans says this is the longest she's ever gone without a contract in her 18 years as a nurse. She also said that Providence hospitals are dangerously understaffed and not creating competitive wages or benefits to recruit and keep staff.
And we are picking up extra shifts ad nauseum to fill those gaps. We get exhausted. And an exhausted caregiver is a caregiver that makes mistakes. So we do this for our community.
I also reached out to Providence Medford, who says since late summer, O&A has been forecasting and planning for the large strike in January. Providence claims that the strike is premature. Chief Executive Director Chris Pizzai says it takes two sides to reach agreements. He told Newswatch 12, quote, "Our teams were fully committed to finding solutions. Unfortunately, the union was less willing to compromise to find some middle ground. Instead of working towards a solution, union leaders have resorted to another strike." And with a 10-day notice, Providence now has time to hire temporary replacements during the strike. The hospital says that patients will feel no impact. The strike begins Friday at 6 a.m. on January 10th.